Want to expand your vocabulary in seconds? In this video, we will pronounce a new word, explore its meaning and see it in action with real-life sentences. Boost your language skills effortlessly, one word at a time. Stay tuned and start speaking with confidence today. Let's pronounce this word with me. This word is pronounced as cooperation. 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 Let's see its meaning and then its use in sentences. The word cooperation means working together towards a common goal or purpose. It refers to the people, groups, or countries helping and supporting each other to achieve something. Let's see its use in sentences. Successful projects require cooperation among team members. The two countries signed an agreement for economic cooperation. Good cooperation between employees improves productivity. Let's see more sentences. The children showed great cooperation while cleaning the classroom. Thanks for watching.